Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to apply for a trade license through the Edistrict portal. We'll cover everything from understanding why you need one to successfully submitting your application online. This guide will help you navigate the process smoothly, ensuring you meet all necessary requirements. Let's get started on securing your business's legal operation. Before you begin the online application, it's crucial to prepare all your documents. This includes your identity proof, such as an Aadhaar card and your business registration certificates. You'll also need property documents, like a rental agreement or ownership proof for your business premises. Having these ready will make the online process much faster and prevent delays. Now let's navigate the Edistrict portal. First, register or log into your account. Then, find the section for trade license applications. Carefully fill in all the required details on the online form. Remember to upload clear, scanned copies of all your prepared documents. Accuracy here is key to a smooth approval process. After completing the form and uploading documents, proceed to pay the application fee online. Once payment is confirmed, submit your application. You can then track its status through the portal using your application number. Upon successful verification and approval, your trade license will be issued, allowing you to operate your business legally.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.